Daniel, have you noticed that some days we feel amazing and other days we feel sad, tired, or stressed, but we don't always have the right English words to say it?
Yes, and that's the interesting part. Most learners can say, I'm fine, or I'm okay, but they don't know how to really talk about their true feelings in English.
Exactly. And if you can't say your feelings, it's hard to connect with other people.
Right. So today, we're going to fix that.
Welcome to Daily English Conversation.
I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emma. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English with simple, slow conversations that you can understand.
We'll share our own feelings, ask each other questions, and give you easy sentences you can copy and use in your own daily life.
So, Daniel, let's start simple. How are you today?
I'm good. A little tired, but good. What about you, Emma?
I'm great, thank you. The weather is nice today, so I feel happy. When the sun is out, my mood is better.
Oh, why are you tired?
I watched a very long movie last night. I went to bed very late. But here's the interesting part. The movie was so good that I felt happy and tired at the same time.
I know that feeling. You enjoy the movie in the evening, but the next morning your body says, why did we do that?
Exactly. So, talking about our day is a good way to start talking about feelings.
In our answers, we used, I am great, I'm good, I'm tired, and also, I feel happy.
Yes. So, we can use I am and I feel to talk about feelings. Most learners don't realize this, but there is a small difference.
Let's understand this with a simple example. If I say, I am a happy person, it means this is part of my personality. It's more general and long-term.
But if I say I feel happy right now, I'm talking about this moment only. Maybe because the weather is good or I got a nice message.
So, I am happy, more general, more about who you are. I feel happy, more about this moment.
Exactly. You understand perfectly. And now you, watching this video, try to think, are you a happy person or do you just feel happy right now?
Feeling, your emotional or physical state, like happy, sad, tired. Personality, your usual way of thinking and feeling for a long time. In this moment, right now, at this time only. Emma, can you tell me a time when you feel happy?
Sure. I feel happy when I visit my family. We sit together, eat dinner, and talk. I also feel happy when I finish all my work for the day. Then I can relax.
That's a good feeling. I feel happy when I eat my favorite food. Pizza makes me very happy.
Pizza makes me happy too. A clean space and good food. Perfect combination. Okay, what is the opposite of happy?
The opposite is sad. I feel sad when it rains for many days and I cannot see the sun.
I feel sad when I have to say goodbye to my family after a visit. And sometimes I feel sad when I watch a movie about a lost dog. I always cry.
That's so sweet. It's okay to feel sad sometimes. It means we care.
So now we have happy and sad. What about tired?
I am tired today because of the movie. I feel tired when I don't sleep enough or when I work for a very long time.
I feel tired after I go for a long walk or when my day is very busy. My eyes feel heavy and I just want to lie down.
So we have happy, sad, tired. What other simple feelings can we talk about?
Let's talk about hungry. Right now, I'm a little hungry.
Really? It's only 10 a.m.
I know, but I didn't eat a big breakfast. Just a small banana.
I see. Well, I'm not hungry, but I'm thirsty. I would like some coffee.
Coffee is good. So, hungry, you want food. Thirsty, you want a drink.
And we can be a little hungry or very hungry. When I am very hungry, I cannot think. My brain doesn't work.
Me too. When I'm very hungry, I get a little angry. Some people call that hangry, hungry, and angry together.
That's funny and very true.
So we already have many feelings: happy, sad, tired, hungry, thirsty. Let's quickly review some words. Opposite, the very different thing, like happy, sad. Hungry, you need food. Thirsty, you need a drink. Heavy, eyes. When your eyes want to close because you are tired. Now you can think, I feel hungry when, or I feel sad when. Now let's talk about stronger feelings. Sometimes I feel very, very happy. That feeling is excited.
Excited is a great word. I feel excited before a holiday or before I travel to a new place. I think about all the fun things I will see and do.
Me too. I feel excited when I plan a trip. I look at pictures on the internet. But here's the interesting part. When I think about the airplane, I also feel a little nervous.
Nervous? Yes, I know that feeling. It's when you are not sure about something and you feel worried, a little scared.
For example, before I speak in front of many people, I feel nervous. My hands get a little cold and my heart beats faster.
Most learners don't realize this, but being nervous doesn't always mean something bad. It can also mean that something is important to you.
That's true. So excited and nervous can sometimes be together. Like before the first day of school, you are excited to see friends, but nervous about new teachers.
Another strong feeling is angry. I don't like this feeling, but it's real.
No one likes to feel angry. I feel angry when I lose my phone. I look everywhere, in my bag, under the bed, but I cannot find it.
I feel angry when I am in a big traffic jam. I cannot move and I am late for a meeting.
So, what do you do when you feel angry?
I take a deep breath. I count to 10. 1, 2, 3, up to 10. Sometimes I listen to quiet music or drink a glass of water. It helps my body calm down.
That's very smart. I should try that in the car.
I usually just talk to myself and say, "It's okay, Daniel. Be patient. You will arrive soon."
That's also a good start. Another feeling is surprised.
I love that feeling. It's when something happens that you do not expect.
Yes, it can be a good surprise or a bad surprise. A good surprise is when a friend visits you with a gift. A bad surprise is when you see a spider on your wall.
Spiders are a very bad surprise for me too. I do not like spiders at all.
And what about scared?
I feel scared when I watch a scary movie with ghosts. Why do I watch them if I feel scared? I don't know. It's a little fun, but after the movie I feel scared of the dark.
I feel scared when I hear a loud noise at night or when I walk alone in a dark place. My heart beats very fast and I walk a little faster.
Those feelings are normal. Our body is saying, be careful.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.
Tell us, how do you feel today? Are you excited, tired, relaxed, lonely, proud? We really love reading your comments.
Your likes, comments, and subscriptions help more learners find this video and help our channel grow.
See you next time on Daily English Conversation.